Hello and welcome back. Last class we discussed the importance of our environmental impact and how carbon emissions are a known major form of global warming and environmental change. The choices we make in our homes, in our travel, in the food we eat, and in the things we buy and throw away all influence our carbon footprint. They can help ensure a stable environment for future generations. For now, we will focus in four main areas that actually affect our carbon footprints. Let's see if we can tackle some of these areas. Our first category is home energy. We're going to start by taking the amount of energy you use in your home and multiplying it by a factor of 105. Next, multiply your monthly gas bill by that same factor of 105. Finally, multiply your monthly oil bill by a factor of 113. For example, if your monthly electric bill costs you $150, multiply that by the factor of 105. Your answer will come out to be 15,750 pounds of CO2 produced. A quick tip, if you reduce your monthly bill by 5 to 7%, you'll be able to save 1,000 pounds. Our second category is driving. You can calculate your emissions from driving simply by multiplying your yearly mileage times 0.79. For example, if you drive 12,000 miles per year, take that and multiply it by a factor of 0.79. The answer you'll come out with is 9,480 pounds of CO2 produced. Our next category is flying. Generally, we categorize these flights based on their length. You can start by multiplying the number of flights, 4 hours or less, by a factor of 1,100. Next, multiply the number of flights 4 hours or more by a factor of 4,400. For this example, let's assume one short flight, less than 4 hours. This would produce 1,100 pounds of CO2. Our last category is recycling and reusing. Do you recycle newspapers? If not, add a factor of 184. If so, add 0. Do you recycle aluminum and tin? If no, add 166. If yes, add 0. So to calculate your total carbon footprint in pounds per year, we'll need to take the sum of our previous calculations. We'll start with home energy use. Let's take a look at this table. If you'd like to compare your emissions to the U.S. average, all you have to do is take your number and multiply it by a factor of 0.0005. For example, we'll take our number of 26,330, multiply that by 0.0005, and it comes out to 13.16. This is our emissions in short tons. Next, let's explore in more detail these four main categories and see if there's some steps that we can take to reduce our emissions.